Welcome to Kissimmee Elementary School, part of the school district of Osceola County and located in the heart of Kissimmee, Florida. I'm Principal Elizabeth Terry, and I'm excited to show you what makes our school truly one of a kind. Here at Kissimmee Elementary, we're all about I Do, which stands for Innovation via Diversity and Opportunity. It is essentially a micro-society within our school where each grade level represents a different community sector, whether it's judicial, journalism, health services, or philanthropy, just to name a few. What you might not know is that we offer dual language VPK, kicking off our youngest learners' journey towards becoming bilingual and biliterate. Our dual language program in the primary grades has been a game changer, driving academic success and giving our students the tools to excel in both English and Spanish. At Kissimmee Elementary, we're committed to sparking curiosity and fostering growth in every subject, especially in science. Our STEM hands-on activities are designed to engage and inspire, and we're proud to partner with the Orlando Science Center for our STEM night. Thanks to these immersive experiences, we've seen incredible growth in science proficiency, especially among our upper grade students.
It's an honor to tell you why Kissimmee Elementary is so great. It has lots of activities like music, dance, PE, and more. There are many subjects here, but I like math the best. I like the education I get and the time the teachers spend helping me learn and succeed.
An interesting fact about our school is that 62% of our students speak a language other than English at home. With a deep commitment to supporting our students and their families, we offer a welcome center that helps newcomers navigate their transition to a new country. From connecting families with local healthcare providers to offering evening English classes for parents, we make sure everyone feels at home.
I have two kids. One is in third grade and another one is in BPK. My kids are in dual language program. I see the results of the success of my big one. When we come here, he doesn't know to speak English and he come in kindergarten. In 15 days, he just speak English. So that was a big process for us.
Family is at the heart of everything we do. That's why we bring families together through our vibrant multicultural night. It's a celebration of heritage where students and families share native foods and traditions that reflect their culture. And let's not forget our fall festival, which is full of community fun, games, and treats for the whole family. The community activities don't stop there. We are proud to be home to Benny's Bodega, a food pantry that we offer to all families at Kissimmee Elementary. Our student ambassadors work together with our parent liaison to ensure that our shelves are fully stocked with food, drinks, and other items needed to feed our families.
Kissimmee Elementary School is not just a school for my friends and me, but a second home. We've learned to appreciate, to embrace each other's unique diversities, and have become like a family. We are accepted for being exactly who we are as individuals. But what I love most is knowing that no matter what, from drop-off to pickup, we are always shown love and patience here at Kissimmee Elementary School.
At Kissimmee Elementary School, we partner with the Orlando Ballet, who help teach our scholars the technical art of ballet. Our students enjoy performing for their families twice a year and even have the chance to join our after-school ballet club. And for those who love sports, we have a variety of intramural options, including soccer. Another exciting thing about our school is our PBIS store and exciting quarterly activities like the Mystery Food Challenge, Grinchmas Bingo, and Skate Reflections. Students can earn Cup Cash and shop for awesome prizes, including bikes at our PBIS store. We're all about celebrating our students' hard work and rewarding them in fun, engaging ways. Kissimmee Elementary has proudly served our community for over 24 years, and we'd love for you to join our Bear Cub family and experience all the amazing things happening here. Visit our website or give us a call to schedule your tour today.